It's that time of year you've all been looking forward to. I'd like to introduce you to my new website, where you'll have access to incredible content about online business, premium apps, and anything else related to the computer world. To sign up for the newsletter, go to www.officialoboypapi.com and click the subscribe button. Fill out the required information and smash the submit button, and you'll be kept up to date as soon as I publish new content. Please have fun.
Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Oboypapi. If today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this. And don't forget to smash on the bell so you can receive notification whenever I drop a new video. I also appreciate if you hit on the like button. Last but not the least, don't forget to drop your comment because it matters to me a lot. I'll be right back.
Nowadays, almost everything is done online, including shopping and getting the goods delivered to your home. You could even bring in full-time income just by working from home, not to speak of creating a bank account online, which is the easiest, by the way. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorials on how to create a bank account using your WhatsApp. I know this may sound crazy to you, but I need you to sit tight and watch the video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part to fully comprehend or understand how this method works. You will need a functional smartphone and a WhatsApp account, of course, in order to use this technique. So let's get started with the primary steps, and from there we get to know what you need. To use all the newly added features, please make sure your WhatsApp is completely updated. That is very important. So this is where I introduce you to the Leo, the AI chatbot, Ghana's first virtual banker, which you can talk to about literally anything at any given time. UBA Leo is an artificial intelligence chatbot for banking services. Leo is very friendly and enjoyable to use and provides banking solutions. It's available to users on Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. Therefore, in today's video, with the help of Leo, I will demonstrate how to set up a UBA bank account on WhatsApp. With Leo, you may quickly and easily set up a UBA bank account, but first, you must contact Leo in order to take advantage of this quick service he's offering. Kindly save Leo's WhatsApp contact on your phone. The number is on your screen, and I'll also leave a direct link to Leo on the video description. After successfully saving the contact, you must open your WhatsApp and start a conversation with Leo. Make sure that Leo on your WhatsApp got the verified icon as you can see on your screens. Now you can start a conversation with hello or hi. Leo will respond instantly with a welcome message and asks how he may help you. He definitely includes the menu, which consists of almost all the banking solutions, from checking account balance to getting your bank account or statement, which is something you mostly visit the bank before getting access to them. But with Leo, you can get your bank statement emailed to you with just a simple click. So I selected B since we are here to create a new account. The next question from Leo is, what is my first account? Basically Aaron. So after providing my answer, he went ahead to ask for the rest of my personal information, like my last name, date of birth, gender, my house address, and my email address. After providing all the information, Leo requested for my picture. Now this is where I tell you to provide correct information, because if you get any problem with your account, you'll need a valid ID to help you recover your account. Now Leo would like to know if I'm a student or a businessman. Now answer this question carefully, because your answer will help with the account limit. I mean daily transaction limit. So I choose business and selected commercial for the sub segment. Again, make sure to provide the correct information. He wants to know my location, which is Kumasi. Please choose Accra if you are in Accra, because it will help them know your location in case you request for a debit card. Also choose the branch which is closer to you for same reasons.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoying this video. Anyway, let's resume where we left off.
Finally, send yes to agree to the terms and conditions of the bank. My account is created successfully. As you can see, that is my account number. Now I can receive and send money using this account right from home without visiting the bank. Anyway, you are welcome to send me money on this account. I told you from the start, this is very easy and simple to set up a bank account using WhatsApp. There will be a part 2 of this video where I will demonstrate how you can deposit funds using mobile money and answer a few questions about the account, which includes the daily transaction limit. I hope this video was very helpful, and kindly share it with your friends and loved ones. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section box and I'll get back with an update as soon as possible. I'll see you on my next video. Peace.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there on my
hustle. Even fake life don't dey expensive for my country. My guy, if you don't get money, even fake life, you don't feel live. Oh.
You own a business, looking to create awesome website for it? Then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Belly Tech Services. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Belly Tech are expert in services like graphic designing. They will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their website on www.bellytechservices.com.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake good